The conclusion here, I have said this since before, long before this ever broke out between her and Justin Baldoni.
Blake Lively's legal clash with Justin Baldoni is quickly becoming one of Hollywood's most closely watched dramas, with every new revelation adding fuel to an already blazing controversy. On the surface, Lively appears to embody perfection. She's a celebrated actress, devoted mother, and style icon. But as the court case unfolds, her meticulously crafted image is being challenged in ways few could have predicted. This case isn't just about creative disagreements or professional disputes. It's about control, power, and what happens when Hollywood's glossy facade meets the unrelenting scrutiny of the legal system. At the heart of the drama is a sharp contrast between Lively's polished public persona and the allegations emerging from Baldoni's legal team. For years, Lively has maintained an image of grace and likability, but this court battle has cast doubt on whether that persona tells the whole story. Baldoni's attorney, Brian Friedman, has been relentless in his pursuit of the truth.
They're acting like lovers.
And my nose is so big.
Leaving no stone unturned as he seeks to unravel the real dynamics behind the scenes of It Ends With Us. From leaked text messages to deposition delays, the case is a whirlwind of intrigue that has captivated fans, critics, and the media alike. Lively's repeated attempts to obtain gag orders and avoid depositions have only heightened curiosity about what she might be trying to keep hidden. While gag orders are typically used to protect sensitive information or vulnerable parties, critics argue that Lively's efforts seem more focused on shielding herself from public embarrassment. The court, however, has been less than sympathetic to her pleas, with judges repeatedly denying her requests. Each denial amplifies speculation about what could be so damaging that she's willing to fight tooth and nail to keep it under wraps. One of the most explosive elements of this case is the involvement of Friedman, whose aggressive tactics have drawn both admiration and criticism. Known for his no-nonsense approach, Friedman has a reputation for cutting through Hollywood smoke and mirrors to get to the truth.
That's her big harassment moment. They are playfully acting. She's completely
His reported insistence on grilling Lively during a deposition has sent shockwaves through her camp, with fans and legal experts alike speculating about what might emerge if she's forced to answer his pointed questions under oath. For Lively, facing Friedman is a scenario she seems desperate to avoid, and her repeated efforts to delay or block the deposition have only fueled rumors of what she might be hiding. Meanwhile, the public's fascination with the case has reached fever pitch. Social media is ablaze with debates over who's in the right, Team Blake or Team Baldoni. On one side, Lively's supporters view her as a victim of overzealous legal tactics, painting her as a strong woman standing up to unfair treatment. On the other, Baldoni's defenders see this as a case of accountability, with Friedman championed as the truth seeker determined to expose a side of Lively the public has never seen.
Ryan and Blake and two other of her friends all staged a mass unfollowing of Joe Alwyn.
As each new court filing becomes public, it only adds more fuel to the fire, with fans poring over every detail and pundits analyzing what it all means for Hollywood's golden couple, Lively and Ryan Reynolds. Reynolds himself has not escaped the spotlight. Once seen as a close friend and collaborator of Baldoni, his apparent shift in loyalty has raised eyebrows. Leaked messages reportedly show Reynolds taking a more aggressive stance toward Baldoni, a move that has led to questions about whether personal conflicts or professional rivalries have played a role in the escalating feud. While Reynolds hasn't been named as a direct party in the case, his involvement adds another layer of intrigue to an already complex narrative. Another compelling aspect of this case is the broader implications it has for Hollywood as a whole. For years, the industry has relied on carefully curated public images to maintain its stars' reputations, but this case demonstrates how quickly those narratives can unravel under legal scrutiny. In court, where facts and evidence take precedence over spin, even the most polished personas can be exposed. For Lively, whose career has been built on a foundation of charm and relatability, the stakes couldn't be higher. If damaging revelations come to light, it could upend her standing in the industry and tarnish a brand that has been years in the making.
And this thing is getting even more bizarre. One of the key allegations in her complaint against Justin Baldoni
The legal proceedings have also sparked broader conversations about celebrity privilege and the limits of public control over private disputes. Critics argue that Lively's attempts to delay and silence the case demonstrate a sense of entitlement, as if she believes her star power should exempt her from accountability. Supporters counter that she's simply protecting herself from a legal system that can be as ruthless as it is unpredictable. Regardless of where you stand, it's clear that this case is about more than just Lively and Baldoni. It's a test of how far a celebrity can go to shield themselves from the consequences of their actions. As the court date looms closer, the stakes continue to rise. Both sides appear unwilling to back down, with Baldoni's team ramping up their efforts to reveal the truth and Lively's camp working tirelessly to control the narrative. Fans are left wondering what will happen next. Will Lively finally take the stand? Or will her legal team find a way to avoid further exposure? And if the case does go to trial, what bombshells might be revealed that could change the way we view not only Lively, but the entire entertainment industry? What do you think? Is Blake Lively hiding something? Or is she simply trying to protect her privacy in the face of relentless legal scrutiny? Is Justin Baldoni being unfairly targeted? Or does Friedman's aggressive approach point to a larger truth waiting to be uncovered? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates on this unfolding saga. As the case continues to evolve, one thing is certain: this is a Hollywood drama like no other, and the final chapter has yet to be written.